So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition, and again we are back in Arch Linux. Before I will continue, let me check out if the stream is working properly. Yeah, let's just do that first and then we'll continue. Okay, seemingly it works just fine. So yeah, once again I'm back streaming and recording locally. Today I'm streaming once again on YouTube live service, full 4K resolution, 30 FPS. But let me show you first the system information. First we'll go through the system settings and about the system. Here we are, Arch Linux KDE Plasma version 6.6.4 on Wayland, and the CPU of the system is an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, and the GPU is also AMD Radeon RX 6800M. The system has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SSD space. And now let's go to the terminal. I will put it up here, zoom in. I think this is fine. And yeah, once again you can take a good look here. You can pause the stream, or later on the YouTube video, you can YouTube channel, you can pause the video. Just take notice on the screen resolution. As I said, full 4K, 3840 by 2160. The system runs at 120 Hz. However, I'm streaming just 30 FPS per second. So yeah, more or less what I've said already. And we are taking this back. So yeah, yesterday I started showing you through Virt-Manager the Arch Linux installation that I made the other day offline, and we started customizing that, and today we'll continue doing that. But before doing that, let me show you, for those who don't remember or don't know at all, what is Arch Linux. And first we'll use the Arch Linux Wikipedia page. So here we are. Arch Linux is an open source rolling release Linux distribution. Arch Linux is kept up to date by regularly updating the individual pieces of software that it comprises. It provides monthly snapshots which are used as installation media. Arch Linux is intentionally minimal and is meant to be configured by the user during installation, so they may add only what they require. And then it mentions very important things that everyone should know about the system. The Wikipedia has plenty of information about it, but everyone should be going to the official website for the distro. And it reads like this: a simple, lightweight distribution. You have reached the website for Arch Linux, a lightweight and flexible Linux distribution that tries to keep it simple. Currently we have official packages optimized for the x86-64 architecture. We complement our official package sets with a community-operated package repository that grows in size and quality each and every day. And then here you can find tons of good information, perhaps the best ever online. And it mentions, of course, their own Arch Linux wiki, and here it is. So basically, Arch Linux is an independently developed x86-64 general-purpose GNU Linux distribution that strives to provide the latest stable versions of most software by following a rolling release model. The default installation is a minimal base system configured by the user to only add what is purposely required. Sorry. Basically, everyone, especially those who like to install the system or thinking that this is their Linux distribution for life, everyone should read these websites, and you can find basically there almost everything, if not literally everything about Arch Linux. Anyway, let me launch the Virtual Manager now in order to continue the customization. So here we go. It's not the perfect solution, because yesterday, for example, I had an issue with auto hiding the panels and the dock, etc. But other than that, I haven't noticed anything insane with it. So let me put it here to the corner, and here we are. Basically, yesterday I moved the panel up here. I created the dock here. You can watch the video on the YouTube channel how I did these things. And then I also enabled basically the dark mode or dark breeze theme, if you prefer. And I installed one of the apps. I think it was GIMP, if I remember correctly. Anyway, you can watch the video. I don't want to spoil things any further. And yeah, today, let me open up here my to-do list, so to speak. So yeah, let's just go and install my favorite theme and take it from there. Basically, I'm talking about the suite theme. And this is how you get it. You go to the global theme, and then you click on the get new on the corner here. And then you just type, for example, suite, or if you have any other theme in your mind, you can do it like this. And then you click, install here, this button, or you can read and take a good look here, and then click install here. But I'll just click here, the install, basically. Most probably this will throw an error, will complain or something, but we don't care about it, because we will fix things as we go forward, as we move forward with it. And yeah, of course, you will do that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Then we need to grab couple of my favorite icons. Supposedly this is already one of them, is Candy Icons, and then the other one is Beauty Line. Yeah, okay, Beauty Line, this one, install. I will go with yeah, this is a tricky part here. Let me check out. Yeah, this is kind of a tricky situation to be, because on the official website, you know the version that you are going to install. Here I'm not so sure, but it has to be this one. But I'm not sure. I'll go with the one that has the bigger size, the 4.1 megabytes, because the ones that mention the latest versions, I mean. You know what? No, I will just use the website to make sure first. Let me go here on the website. And let's see what will happen there. Yeah, this is I need basically this one, version 2.4. And I just want to know the size of it. Okay, this is interesting. Why it happened, I don't know. I didn't have this problem before. Let's try it again. This is very strange. Yeah, anyway, it says 4.1. So let's just eliminate the other versions, because it has other versions. but they're called other names, so yeah, just Beautyline tar. Okay, let's try this again. Not beauty folders. Okay, I see my error just before. This was beauty folders, this is Beautyline, blind old cow. Okay, this is interesting, throws errors for some reason. Murphy's law and all that. Murphy's law and all that. Yeah, I'll just use the website, but let's proceed with the cursors. Maybe I will have better luck here. Sweet cursors, let's go. Okay, it's already installed. This was fast, as it should be. Let's try again with the icons, Beautyline. Let's go, install. Beautyline, install. Okay, this time it worked. Whatever. So yeah, global theme. And let's try to see if it will refresh itself with a sweet theme. Global theme, nope, it's not there. This is very strange. This one is here. Okay, okay. I'll do it like this. I'll go with sweet dark here, apply. This is normal. Then I will go with Beautyline, apply. Cursors, sweet cursors, apply. Application style, let's go with I need to enable the Phantom. I will get back to this one as soon as possible. Let's go with the sweet here. Okay, we are almost there. But let's grab also, as I said, the let me see something first. Global theme. Yeah, I have to do it through the website to make sure. Phantom, sweet dark theme. I'll grab this one. We are almost there. We are almost there. Let's try this now. Sorry, with Virt-Manager I have to go through this one. Yeah, I need to uncompress the theme. Downloads. Extract here. Let's try it again. Okay, install. Change delete. Sweet. And boom. So now almost everything is set as far as theming goes. The basic stuff that I have in mind. And we'll just save it to make sure. You know what, let's take a screenshot. I think it makes the window disappear, but let's just prepare it just in case. Sweet dark, for example. do not. Okay, so it doesn't disappear. So I have to do this, then minimize, and then do this basically. Yeah, that's how it works. And we are back here, confirm, and here we are. So basically, if something will go wrong, I will just press that button and be done with it. And here I can click on the quantum dark, apply. Yeah, I think that's the whole deal now. And one last trick that left is that I have to grab the JTK version of the theme, the Sweet Dark V40. So let's grab that. Let me close the tabs here, okay. Bye bye. And then maybe I don't need to extract this, but maybe I do. I will see pretty soon. These steps I don't recall, but we'll find out. It's not here, not this one. Okay, what do I miss? I miss something. Not this one. Where is it? Maybe I misremember another version of KDE. There is a version of KDE, maybe I misremember the version, that you have to use GTK theme for the apps. I think it's here, but I don't see it now. Anyway, we'll find out in the future when I will be testing the apps. For example, let's go to GIMP now. And let's see if it worked. Theme, system. Yeah, this I need to configure with my tricks. So it didn't. Kdenlive. It's not like I will be working this, but I'm doing it in order to show you. New project, whatever. This seems to be working fine with the theme I'm in. Boom, perfect. Love it. Tenacity. I'm not going to test every single app, but yeah, this one more or less needs my fixes, just like GIMP. But yeah, most other basic apps, they seem to be well. This one needs my tricks as well. Discover. Okay, nice. So yeah, it's like 70-75% there, at least for the dock apps here. Anyway, I don't want to drag this any longer. We did just fine. We completed all the basic stuff. And I have a few other things left here to do. Let's just go with the font and be done with it for today. So I'll just copy this one and then go and download the font. You know what? I already have it on my folder, but I will just show you. Basically, this is from Google Fonts. You can take it from Google Fonts, and you just click here, get fonts, and then download, and you are done. So that's the thing, you search for it, JetBrains Mono Regular, and then you grab it from there. However, I have it installed, not installed, I have it on my folder. Sorry. Projects, and then I think it's in phones, and then it's monospace, and it's this one, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's this one. Nice. So let's extract it. And last but not least, we go to system settings again, we go to the fonts, font management, install from file, point it to the correct directory, select everything, and system wide, yes please, enter the password, auto skip whatever, and we are done. And then we have to go, let's close it in order to enable the fonts, to make sure that it will recognize the fonts. Let's go here and let's enable the font, JetBrains Mono Regular, size 10, boom. And then I need to poke these two as well, here and here. And that's it. Boom. And just like that, 90% of the stuff are done. Restarting the system, and then we'll save it. And we are done for today, basically. All things considered, on this machine, the virtual machine performs very well. I have Wayland enabled too. And yeah, here we go. Everything seems perfect. As far as my own preference, that is. Yeah, let's not drag this any longer. I will just save the virtual machine changes. And just like that old Michael Jackson song says, let's beat it. Yeah, this was it for today. A good advancement on customization and theming wise on the virtual machine and Arch Linux KDE Plasma. More to come on this one, and yeah, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!